So today is December 8th, and here are some updates of what's been going on since I didn't make an update for like the past couple months. Anyway, remember the pangolins that I took some leaf pullings from? Well, it's looking good now. There's some fly back there, it got caught. And then its self-made division is that big now. It's almost the same big as the mother. It's almost the same size as the mother plant. I'm sorry, it's morning. My words are kind of jumbled. Anyway, this is the Drosera binata dichotoma seedlings. Well, not seedlings anymore apparently, because they're flowering. You can see, that's the flower buds right there. And then the leaf pullings from the Sethos and the Cyclosecta is right here. They're very big now. There's still some more outside, but those are for an experiment. I'm trying to grow them in a lava rock, a piece of lava rock, and some moss. And then this one is a new acquisition for last month. This is it's not a hybrid, but it's definitely a cross between two Atroparperaeas. It's a Wakama by 280 Super Dark. Anyway, that's still in Atroparperaea cross. And this one is a pretty uncommon one these days. It's a Citacina that I acquired. It's still pretty small and still lacking some colors because it didn't have the best light from where I acquired it. I'm planning to get an Okyphenochiensis minor from the same seller of this. But let's see. This is the, what's this again? The Treves Dracula and the typical red that I took out of dormancy last 2 months, I think, or last month. This is how they're doing right now. I repotted them, so they're kind of in a shock. Anyway, and that small one I think is gonna die. That really doesn't matter. Also, little update. I actually tried to get some leaf cuttings from the binata before they flower like a month ago. And here's some of the sprouts from that leaf pulling. If you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right over there, hidden by the soil. And another thing, I actually got some hitchhiker or volunteer plants. This one is a Drosera spatulata. It's been here for a month. I made more leaf pullings, but this one's still not ready. The other leaf pullings I already transferred into the soil. It's worth knowing. Now this one is not in any of the videos I posted, but this is the Sethos that I mentioned, the other pullings that I put on a lava rock. There's some peat in there, some moss, and then this one you're seeing is focus. I believe it's Tricolaria graminifolia, though initially I thought it was Barbugia, but I still gotta see the flowers first. Over to the Sarracenias. Well, because of over fertilizing, this Flava ornata divided too much, and it's got some stunted growth right there. If you can see, the old growth is very tall, the new growth is very small, and it got so many growth points to the point that I had to divide it immediately, or else it will be very much more stunted. And then update to the Juta Dipsoper. It's getting very big now. You can see, very robust vigorous growth, and it's growing some more growth points down there. I believe there's 2 growth points forming. And this is the rubra that I put into dormancy last 2 months, I believe, or last 3 months ago, but a month before this day, I took it out of dormancy, and this is how it's looking right now. That's also another rubra. I accidentally chopped it off from the main growth point. Well, accidents happen. There we go, we have a new plant. This one was a freebie when I bought this two right here. This is a Murray hybrid from Baldwin's Alba, Alba form of Leucophila, and what, Atlas Rocket 5, I think. That's another Murray. So this makes it another Murray. This hybrid is made by a Filipino seller or Filipino plant keeper. I forgot the name. Anyway, this is also from and anyway, the breeder of this hybrid sold it to some other guy, and then I bought these two from that guy. Anyway, this is in Alata Negropurpurea. I acquired it, I think, last month. It still hasn't produced too much leaves yet, as you can see from those two, and this one too. These 3 is from that seller, and then yeah, I got it as a freebie because the seller, she took too much time preparing the plants for shipping. There was some storm shit happening in the country by that time, that's why. And I don't know if this is part of the last videos, but this is also a new acquisition, like last 3 months ago. This is Sarracenia taiga. If in the case that I haven't included it in the previous videos, this one was just as much as dead looking or as bare looking as this one when I first got it. I trimmed all the big pictures, and then this is what it looks like now. It has like 3 growth points. Very pretty. Oh yeah. Like last 3 months ago, I don't know if I also put that in a video, but I put the Chalsonii and the Purpurea venosa in dormancy, and 3 months later I took them out. Well, not 3 months, almost 3 months, because this should be due to be taken out of the fridge by December 20th. Right now it's December 8th, so yeah, I went a bit early. I'm very excited like that.